Hello, my name is Alex Johnson, and I am a software developer and student at Devmountain. This web application that I have created is called Cocktail Central, and it is an idea that came out of my interest in discovering and trying new cocktails in my spare time. While there are many cocktail apps that already exist on the web, I wanted to create my own app that had a few of the more specific features that I wanted. Cocktail Central was built using JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Express, Axios, PostgreSQL, and jQuery. Its main input data is sourced from the CocktailDB API. A link to this API can be found below. The first main feature of this app is the drink card on the left. This is the area where the currently selected drink data is displayed in a user-friendly format, much like a recipe card. All of the data on the drink card is received via Axios calls to the backend server and the CocktailDB API and brought back into the browser in order to be displayed. As you can see, when I select a new drink, the card remains in place, but the drink that's displayed is changed. Thanks to some jQuery, much of this card is able to be re-rendered more easily and with fewer lines of code than with standard JavaScript. On the right, we have the options card, which is where the user can choose how they search for and load a drink. A user can either search for a drink by first letter, by name or portion of a name, or filter drinks by ingredient. The letter selection is the only feature which is slightly limited because of the limitations of the free version of the API, allowing only 25 loaded drink titles per letter. The other selectors, however, are unlimited. For example, I could type in vodka as an ingredient and receive every drink in the database that contains vodka as an ingredient. The next main feature is the favorites section. Here, a user can click the Add to Favorites button, and the currently loaded drink in the drink card will be added to a favorites list. This list data also lives in a Postgres database so that it persists and can be re-rendered later. As of now, the favorites database is global, so it exists in the same state for all users. A user login feature will be added soon so that each user can have his or her own favorites list. Each item in the favorites list can be re-rendered to the drinks card later by clicking the load button. They can also be deleted using the X button, and before deleting the entry from the database, a nice CSS falling animation occurs, showing that the item has been deleted. The final features include a Get Random Cocktail button, which renders a random cocktail from the database, as well as warning modals that pop up if, let's say, a user types in an invalid drink name to be searched, redirecting them to try again. Thanks to some custom CSS, this app is also fully mobile responsive and looks great on small screens. Thank you all so much for watching this presentation, and I hope you were able to use this app to try some new drinks in your spare time.